In this video, we will be going over how to set up the cell for conductivity measurements. So what you will need for this is a vial containing the electrolyte that you are measuring the conductivity of, a lid like this with 2 holes drilled into the top of it, 2 graphite rods, and a roll of copper tape. In your experiment, you will be given 3 different vials with 3 different electrolytes. Here I'm just showing one. First thing we'll do is take off the regular lid off of the vial and replace it with the one with 2 holes in it. Then we want to rip off a small piece of our copper tape. You don't need much, just something like this is plenty. And it just tears easily. And then you can remove the foil from the back like this to expose the sticky side. And you will tape this around the top of your graphite rod. Make sure that you leave plenty of room towards the bottom, but somewhere around here is perfect. And then just fold the tape over itself like this, and this is what it should look like. We'll do it for the second one as well. We'll take off a small piece of the copper tape, peel off the back foil, and again, place the tape on the graphite rod and then fold it over itself. Just like this is what it should look like. Now what we can do is we take the vial with the 2 holes drilled into the top, and the graphite rods slide right into there. You may have to push a little bit, but it should slide in pretty smoothly. And we want to make sure that the copper tape is above the lid. Now if we look into the electrolyte vial, it's really important to make sure that the 2 graphite rods are not touching, so we want it to look something like this. Now I'll show you how to connect it to the potentiostat. So here we have our potentiostat cable, which has 4 leads: the counter electrode, the reference electrode, and the working electrode, and the ground lead. We will not be doing anything with the ground lead. The first thing you need to do is remove the alligator clip from the reference one. This is labeled as ref, to show the banana plug underneath this alligator clip. This banana plug is then going to be plugged into the counter electrode, which is blue and labeled CE. You can see on the bottom of the counter electrode, there's a hole right here, and this is where the banana plug for the reference electrode will go into. So it should look like this. The counter and the reference are now connected, and the working electrode is separate. Now, take the alligator clip connected to the working electrode and connect it to one of the 2 copper tapes, and take the alligator clip connected to the counter electrode and connect it to the other one. This is now set up and ready to run the conductivity experiments.